In this video, I review Cash App Investing and share my experience using its fractional share feature. Links are in the description. While known for peer-to-peer payments, Cash App now simplifies stock market access. Perfect for beginners, it lets you invest in fractional shares of stocks and ETFs with just $1. Seamlessly integrated with the Cash App ecosystem, you can easily manage finances and investments. The simple interface makes browsing stocks, viewing performance, and placing orders effortless. Buy fractional shares by specifying your investment amount, owning pieces of companies like Apple or Google without large upfront costs. With no commissions, every dollar invested works for you. Dividends are automatically added to your Cash App balance for reinvestment or withdrawal. Schedule recurring investments to consistently build your portfolio. While lacking the in-depth analysis tools of other platforms and having a limited stock selection, Cash App Investing is ideal for beginners seeking a simple, accessible, and low-cost entry point. If you already use Cash App, adding fractional investing is incredibly convenient. It's not the most advanced platform, but for simplicity and accessibility, it gets anyone started on their investing journey.